Discord and Epic Games are collaborating again and giving us free 1-month Nitro. But before that, I run a server called Pixie. It has all the high-quality server decors and layouts you need. We even have different channels like banners, dividers, and so on. The server is highly advanced with all the new techniques and technologies and advanced verification system to keep our members safe. We also do Discord Nitro giveaways. My servers currently has over 11,000 members and they increase every day. If you want to join my server, go to any of my videos description, there you will find the invite link. You can join us to make friends, mental health, and for decors and layouts, or just come check us out. Alright, so as you can see, the offer is ending on December 17th. So make sure you hurry up. After clicking the link, click back to store, don't do anything here. Now click sign in on top right hand side. Make sure to keep an eye on my cursor so you know what I am doing. If you never had an account on Epic Games, then click create account or just click any methods mentioned there. Now please make sure to write the year that is above 18 plus years old. Chances are, if you are below 18 or 15, you could get rejected here. After clicking continue, you will find this interface. Just fill out all the details. They will ask for your OTP if you clicked create account option. You can get the OTP from your email. Now please watch this carefully. This is very important. When you click Discord Nitro here, you won't get the Get Nitro option, and it's because they want you to download Discord. Even if you have Discord, the app can't detect it. So write Discord in the search bar and just download it. Now please make sure you're not skipping any step and following me. Right now we are downloading Discord from Epic Games. Please don't worry, it won't charge you money for this. And there we have it. Now the app will detect that we have Discord. Now go back to the Nitro page, you can simply write Nitro in the search bar. Now click the Get button. As you can see, it has lighten up. Agree to their policies and click Place Order. There we have it. After a few minutes, check your email. You will have received an email from Epic Games for your free Nitro. Simply click that and redeem your Nitro. What I am gonna do is, I won't redeem my free Nitro. In fact, I have 2 links. I will post my 2 free Nitro in my Discord server when the video is up. You can join my server, go to mail channel and claim the Nitro. But you will require payment method just to register and not to pay. And if you don't have it, then better luck next time, buddy. Just don't yap in my server and comment section. Anyway, also happy Thanksgiving. If you like the video, hit like and subscribe button and touch the damn grass, kids.